So when I told you to make sure you take care of the hair and use the proper shampoo, did you use shampoo? No or no?
I did not use shampoo. I used detergent. Is hair not hair?
Hey, Chineke. Okay. Your Honor, let me respect myself. It's okay. It's all right.
So what she's saying, so when you tagged her,
Yes, sir.
you then called her from what she put in the affidavit, and she has just repeated it, that you called her Glory, the goat
hair
for seller.
Yes.
He know they fight, but Judge Mugu go balance the right. Truth go stand, lie go fall. Inside this court, we hear it all.
When grievance meets the gate, the litigants speak to the reporter as they arrive. Before the gavel strikes, the emotions explode. They've come with rage, with receipts, with revenge. At the gate of Mugu Court, the stories begin. Unfiltered, unedited, and completely unpredictable. Who's the victim? Who's the manipulator? Let's hear from them before the courtroom does.
They're influencers and they're honorables and influencers in training. Today's war, or rather digital war, like I like to say, is about lives, lists, and live streams. We have a popular online star dragging a hair vendor for selling to her what she calls fufu hair. F-U-F-U. Well, the vendor on the other side is threatening with screenshots saying she has a proof that whatever she sold to her was an original hair. Well, in our usual fashion, we'll hear from both parties before the court hearing. Good day, ma'am. My name is Andrew from Noliflex 360. I know you.
Hey, good day. I'm Evelyn.
Evening.
Yeah.
Why are you here today?
I'm actually here to sue my hair vendor. She sold me a fake hair.
Are you serious?
Not this one, actually.
No, this doesn't look fake.
Thank you.
Oh, she sold you a fake hair?
Yes, she did.
So how do you know the hair is fake?
It's fake because I washed it with detergent and hot water and it turned sponge immediately. Just one wearing.
I guess you spent another money.
180,000.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Justice must be served.
Thank you.
Welcome to Mugu's People's Court, where
Thank
justice
you.
is adequately served.
Thank you.
Wish you the best sister here.
Thank you.
You heard her. Now let's hear from the hair vendor. My name is Andrew from Noliflex 360. May I know you?
My name is Glory, the owner of Elite Hair, the original hair vendor.
Wow, you
Yes.
are the hair vendor.
Yes.
So why are you being sued?
An ungrateful influencer had the audacity to sue me for selling fake hair after she soaked original luxurious hair inside hot water, salt, and detergent. Can you imagine?
Is that wrong?
That is wrong. That is raw donor hair. You're supposed to take care of it. Even normal chemicals that they used to use and maintain hair is not even used for that kind of hair.
Wow.
Yes. So I'm here to state my case and I'll also counter sue.
Wow.
Yes.
This is Mugu's People's Court, where justice is adequately served. So I'm sure you'll find justice here. You heard, this might be a tug of war. Let's wait for the verdict.
The truth unmasked. Now we watch as the litigants make their case before Judge Mugu. No camera tricks, no performance lawyers. Just two people, face to face, with justice between them. This is not a place for noise. This is where lies collapse. When the facts clash and the gavel is watching, only one side will walk out with dignity.
Please be seated. Good morning, everyone. I think we are going to have yes, I think we are going to have a great day today. I know it's, the sun is blistering as usual, and Judge Mugu is going to be sweating like a pig, but it's okay. All right, hope you all had a great time getting to court today. I know it's a lot of rain on the road. Okay, we're going to try to speed things up a little bit so that we don't have to stay so long like we did yesterday in court. Madam Vivian.
Yes, Your Honor.
How are your kids today? Are they all doing good?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you call the first case for me, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The first case is case 1821 between Madam Diana Diva and Madam Glory. Madam Diana Diva, are you in court today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Step forward. Madam Glory, are you in court today? Step forward. Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Okay, I can see that that thing my auntie Mosu used to do when you were young, when you don't misbehave. That Nigerian thing. It must be a serious one today. All right, Madam Miss Diana Diva.
It's her. It's me, sir.
Okay, let me see what we are dealing with here. Lies, live streams. Okay, so we are dealing with a social dragging star, dragging a vendor. A social media star dragging a vendor for selling her what she calls fufu ear.
Yes.
And this vendor. Okay, I think this will be interesting. Fufu here, I've never heard of that before. Okay, Madam Diana.
Sir.
You have been brought to Mugu People's Court because. Can you tell us your story? Why did you bring her here?
So I brought her here today because I bought a Peruvian hair from her, a raw donor Peruvian hair.
But first, can you let me know who you are? And we know you're Diana Diva. What do you do?
Yes, I'm an influencer, sir. Influencer.
Oh, you're an influencer.
Yes, sir.
One of those people that used to drag Judge Mugu.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Sorry, even is that what you sold her?
No, she didn't sell that for me.
Okay, fantastic. Okay. Please go ahead. What happened?
Yes, sir. She sold a raw donor hair for me, which is supposed to be a raw donor hair.
A raw what?
A raw donor. Peruvian raw donor hair.
What does that even mean?
It's a hair.
So a human being, they
Yeah,
donate
a human
their
hair.
So hair that belongs to a human being.
I don't know about that,
Yes,
but it's supposed to be a human hair.
It is original hair, no chemical.
Okay,
natural.
wait. I'm just trying to understand because I used to hear this thing.
Yes, sir.
They say human hair. I used to
Yes.
think that that's just a name for the hair.
No,
You mean
sir.
the hair is actually for a real human being?
It's a
Yes,
collective hair
from a
from
real human
human
being.
from
so
real
from
human
dead
being.
people or what happened?
No,
They captured-
it could be living human being.
or they could just hold them on the street and cut off their
No.
Where did they get the hair?
No, they donate. They
It's
come and
a
donate their
voluntary
hair.
donation.
Oh, so they donate
Now
their
you
hair.
be
Okay,
vendor.
okay. I need to understand this thing. Okay. So when my wife says human hair, now for real, she's wearing the hair of another human being.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In my house. Okay. I'm in shock. But go ahead. Yes.
So I wore the hair just once. On the second day that I want to wear the hair, it has turned sponge.
Hey, liar! Look at you.
Me lying.
Hey. Let me just explain something. Maybe you are coming to Mugu's court for the first time. Okay? The only Mugu that is allowed in this court is Judge Mugu. I'm the only common sense Mugu in the whole world. No other Mugus are allowed. So
Yes,
when you
sir.
start to interrupt anyhow and behave like Alata, now you are Mugurizing yourself the negative
sir.
way. You will fight. But I hear you, I know you are hot, I know stuff, but okay? Go ahead.
And now I went online to tell my followers to warn them to beware of her brand because she said fake hair.
Hey.
And then she's threatening to sue me,
Okay.
saying that I would give her damages for calling her out on social media. She has to compensate me.
Hey. Oh God.
Okay, so like, I just want to get, I see your affidavit here, I'm just trying to understand this. So you bought the hair.
Yes, sir.
The hair did not perform as you expected.
No, sir.
And then you decided that you're going to go drag her on social media so that nobody will buy.
From her.
Yes, that's what she claimed.
Yes, sir.
And that's what you are claiming. Okay, madam, they say your hair turned into sponge. What does sponge even mean?
Sponge.
To
So
what?
smelling crayfish.
Hey.
Like sponge, like
Yes,
that.
very
Okay.
strong. That one they used to wash plates.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. It turned to okay, madam. Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This woman is a big fat liar. I have never seen a bigger liar in my life. Never. This woman messaged me on Instagram and told me that she saw a hair that she liked. I told her that it was raw donor Peruvian hair, original, quality, luxurious. Luxurious. Do you know that this woman chatted me and said that she was interested in the hair? And I told her that the hair is 230K. This ungrateful thing was pricing down the hair. Pricing it down. I now agreed to sell it to her for 180K. And then I sent it to her. When I sent it to her, can you believe that this woman ended up using the hair? What am I even saying using? This woman soaked the hair inside water with detergent and detergent and salt, hot water for days.
Were you there?
Were you not the one that
Were
told
you
me?
there?
Were you not? I have screenshots here. You cannot tell me that. I have screenshots here.
Okay.
Nonsense.
Okay. I'm trying to understand. So What was this I'm reading about in your affidavit? Something about discount or no discount? What was that all about?
Okay. So I said that first-time buyers will get discounts from me.
Okay.
I will happily give them a discount.
Okay.
But then she came, usually whenever I want to give them a discount, I usually remove 10,000 or something along those areas. But she came and I told her that I can only sell it to her for like 10,000 lower.
Okay, so you gave a discount.
I gave her a discount.
Yes.
Okay, then
After she begged.
Okay, then.
I begged for your
Hey,
for your
come
phone.
out,
Madam Diana, you are not on your Instagram now.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, I know some of your friends are probably streaming this live and you want to drag Judge Mugu again today. It's okay. Let me hear her first. So
Okay,
you gave discount. Which one is now the detergent? And that part confused me a little bit.
Okay,
Because
so Peruvian hair,
Yes.
blood donor means that it is natural, no chemical was added. And when you buy it, you need to be able to maintain it. You need to buy a hair serum to maintain it. When she chatted me, I told her that you know that you need to know how to maintain it, Abi. Now Lagos we do. This one where that go spoil your hair if you don't maintain them well. She said hair is hair, that she will take care of it anyhow that she wants. And when she now bought the hair, and she now told me that that she wants to wash it. I told her that she should go and use normal shampoo. And if she doesn't want to buy this serum from me, she should go and buy it from someone else.
Okay, so you have shampoo that you sell.
I have
for them
shampoo
to
that I
maintain?
sell. And there are other people that sell quality shampoo. You don't have to buy shampoo from me. Eventually, she now sent, I'm sure that video was a mistake. She sent me a video of her washing the hair. And I saw that she was adding detergent and salt inside. And she left it inside the bucket.
Is hair no hair?
Hey!
Even if I use detergent, is it supposed to turn to sponge?
Peruvian hair.
And so?
Blood donor.
So she went and put detergent and
salt and hot water inside bucket with the hair.
With the hair. Okay. Then what happened after that? So the hair became punch.
Yes, it turned sponge after washing it.
Yeah, I did ask you a question. Allow me to answer.
I'm sorry, my lord.
As I was saying.
Okay, maybe I'll leave you people to do the court today.
No,
do you want to come and sit down here?
We are sorry, sir.
We are sorry, sir. We are sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, please. I'm trying to understand you. I've read your affidavit and I'm a little bit confused. And my advisors need to hear for them. They have the affidavit, but the reason we call it to court is so that you can explain, we can all be clear.
All right.
So the team became bad, or whatever. What did it become again?
It started to swell. It shrunk and it started to become like afro because Peruvian wig is straight.
Okay. So
Afro.
Okay, I see. So it started to become like afro.
Yes.
So she now decided. Then what happened after that?
And then after that, instead of her, when she sent me the video, I quickly downloaded it before she deleted it. And then after that, when I tried to chat her and tell her what is happening, why is there hair, and why am I seeing hair, why am I seeing detergent, why am I seeing salt, she blocked me. Later on, I'm now seeing a video of an ungrateful influencer that was asking for discount, shaming my business, telling everybody that I'm selling goat for Moabu glory.
Am I lying?
Okay, so she went online.
Yes.
And she told you.
And she slandered my business. Your Honor, as I'm talking to you now, I have lost over 100 followers on Instagram. I have lost 60 followers on TikTok. My brand is being dragged on in the mud. In one night, Your Honor. It's a lot. 60 followers in one night is a lot.
So instead of filing cases in my court or in any court, you started fighting on Instagram, because I heard that you also went on Instagram and started to do what?
No, I sold on Instagram. I sell my business on Instagram because we're living in the digital age. She ended up dragging me on Instagram first. And she didn't even tell me anything about the hair. She didn't even come to make any complaints. The next thing I'm seeing is her video on Instagram. I don't understand.
Okay. Madam,
Your
before I let the advisors in the court ask you some questions.
Yes, sir.
When this thing turned to sponge, as you say,
Yes, sir.
did you call her?
I did not, because I was expecting my money's worth. But what I got wasn't what I expected.
So you decided that you are going to cuckoo?
Yes, I was angry. I had to warn my followers.
Okay, so you influenced?
The truth unmasked. Now we watch as the litigants make their case before Judge Mugu. No camera tricks, no performance lawyers. Just two people, face to face, with justice between them. This is not a place for noise. This is where lies collapse. When the facts clash and the gavel is watching, only one side will walk out with dignity.
Okay, I can see that. I can see why you'd be upset. Okay. Now, because both of you came to court without lawyers today, as instructed, we don't take lawyers here. The only lawyer I recognize is the one sitting down right there, our own in-house counsel. You are your own lawyer today, so we are always allow people in Mugu court to interrogate their opponents so that it can be clear to everybody what the issues are. So, Madam Diana, but since I don't normally go the way whether one plaintiff should ask first or should ask for, the way I want to do it this morning, all right, is I'm going to let Lady Diana go first. Okay, you have 3 questions to ask your vendor.
Yes, my lord.
Vendor. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, my lord. Did you advertise the hair as raw donor?
Yes, it is raw donor.
Did you specifically tell me that there is a treatment that I should use specifically?
Yes, I give it to all of my customers. I tell all of my customers. I even write it inside a small letter. And I even tell you when we are chatting in our DM that once you are purchasing this hair, make sure you get the serum. And that's yes, I have screenshots here.
And did you check before giving your dispatch rider to bring for me?
Yes, I always check with ring light and holy oil.
Hi.
Okay, is that all?
That's all. That's the question I have.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Madam Glory, your turn now.
All right. So when I told you to make sure you take care of the hair and use the proper shampoo, did you use shampoo? No or no?
I did not use shampoo. I used detergent. Is there no hair?
Hey, Chineke. Okay. Your Honor, let me respect myself. It's okay. It's all right. Okay. Secondly, when you found out that the hair turned to sponge, as you so claim, did you call me? Did you chat me? Did you tell me anything?
Social media is like SMS.
Hey!
I can't control what I post there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, last question. No problem. So, when you posted the video, did you or did you not tag me as Glory, the goat for vendor? Me!
Hey. Is transparency not supposed to be?
Which yeah, transparency? Me that used to sell to
celebrities. Are you not supposed to be transparent?
Celebrities, Your Honor. Let me know.
So what she's saying, so when you tagged her,
yes, sir,
you then called her from what she put in the affidavit and she has just repeated it, that you called her Glory, the goat
hair
for seller.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, imagine.
The 5 common sense commandments. Now let's listen to Judge Mugu as he delivers the 5 Mugu cents from the case before he gives his final verdict. Forget the shouting, forget the trending drama. Judge Mugu breaks it all down with 5 powerful lessons. Truth wrapped in culture, wisdom sharpened by experience. These are not opinions, they are survival tools. 5 Mugu sense-filled laws for a foolish world.
Thank you so much for at least clarifying some of the stuff here. Well, advise us. You have had them. Do you have any questions for any of them before we decide how to judge this case? Yes, sir.
I have a question for us.
Oh, yes, sir.
Madam,
sir,
if you buy a car from a car dealer, you get into the car, start the car, and drive it against a tree, crashing it.
Yes, sir.
Do you go to the car dealer and ask for a refund, or take her to court and seek damages?
Well, that one is a personal issue. I will repair it myself because I crashed it.
Hi, good.
I have a question. Madam,
Sir.
do you use detergent and salt to wash your hair?
Oh.
That hair you bought is a human hair.
Yes, sir.
You apply detergent. Common sense. Wash your own hair. I like that.
Oh. Sir, I did that because I want it to be sparkly.
Hey.
That was why I used it.
Hell.
His hair is original.
Take a look.
It's not supposed to
Just
come
take
for
a
after
look.
using that.
Order. My question is straightforward. Yes or no?
No.
Now, another one is, do you lack followers?
No, I don't.
That would be all. Thank you, Mr. Common Sense. I like that first question because I'm just thinking that. Thank you for that. Mr. Nkpokiti, this is a straight up customer issue, customer and vendor. So right up your alley. Do you have any questions for them?
Well, Diana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Diana. Glory.
Glory, ma.
She sold this hair to you.
Yes,
This
sir.
Peruvian original human
Raw
hair.
donor, yes.
Raw.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware that there is an oil, a specific oil or specific treatment that you have to use whenever you want to wash that hair?
I'm aware. It's because at that time I didn't have it, so I had to use detergent. No.
I told her that all she needed to use was normal shampoo and she should buy the maintenance serum from me. Now me be vendor, I understand the hair, so I know the mixtures for the serum that will work for the hair. But she was too stingy to actually even pay for it.
Waka.
No, I cannot tell. God will punish you. I did not tell her that. I did not tell her that because I'm the one that creates the formula. I don't want anyone else to take it. Everybody has their own formula for how they maintain their hair.
Well, if it's not original, then it won't be original.
See, unlike you, Toku Toku, I bring evidence to the table. Nekwa ifi na po original bone straight. Look at it, Your Honor. Look at it. This hair, I have had it for 4 years.
Can I touch it with my hand?
Yes.
Okay,
It is original bone straight.
Your Honor, that
Original.
for me.
Is that Peruvian?
Wait, Diana. You want me to break my table? Wait, this is the elf, another woman being from which country? Because this is not Nigerian.
No.
Where did this hair come from?
This hair came from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Oh, Moaga. I went there. I paid for the plane. I went there. I cut the hair and I brought it.
You cut the hair from where?
Yes, from the person that donated it. So you cut the hair and then you turn it into a wig.
Wow.
Onitsha, Vietnam.
We could shift.
Vietnam. Well, all right. I don't know. Give it to Madame.
I have more evidence, so I have more evidence in case you want.
Madam, help me look at this.
Plenty.
Does that look like real human hair? Is that what you call it?
Yes.
That one too is another woman being.
Yes. This one is crimped blonde, 2x4.
Wow. So this is this one that looks like Beyonce. Is it Beyonce's hair?
No.
Where did you get this one from?
This one too, I traveled to China to get it. And then we bleached it blonde and crimped it so that it will be coily like that.
Onitsha.
Show it to my Chinese hair.
Onitsha.
Okay.
So you confirm.
It's original.
Oh. Thank you. Good clerk.
Onitsha hair.
You're still talking. Fake influencer.
Wow. Okay, so the issues are actually clear. How much did you pay for this woman hair, madam?
180K.
80,000 naira.
Ordinary.
That's after with discount.
Yes, after the discount.
All right. There you got it. My advisors. How do we judge this one?
Well,
I think I'm going to ask our cultural defender here first. How will you judge this case? Because what are you claiming now? Who is even suing who here?
She brought me here.
It's like she should be the one suing you.
Oh, in fact, I'm going to sue you for defamation.
You cannot even sue me.
Try me.
But I'm not making your case for you. I'm just so confused.
No problem, Your Honor.
So you got the hair.
Yes, sir.
The hair got bad. You took her to Instagram. You already destroyed her business. So what else do you want again? Now, that's what
I want her to refund my money, and
yes.
for the defamation of my brand that she has tarnished already too.
Who
Because she
tarnished
called me
whose
out
brand
as
now?
well.
See me. Oh.
So wait.
Did you not call me out?
Call who out? You think I'm like you? You he-goat. You think I'm like you?
No, we don't do that in my court. We don't do that in my court. No.
You.
So, wait. I'm confused. So, you got the hair.
Yes, sir.
The hair got bad. You went on Instagram. You called her out. She lost customers. Now you have come to court. You want your money back for the wig. Plus what now?
I want my money back and I want her to apologize.
She should be the one apologizing.
Yes.
Who did the Instagram of who?
I did, but she sold a fake hair to me. That's why I called her out.
All right, I just want to make sure that my advisors are clear what she's asking for. She's not the one suing. She's the one suing. She's saying, I want my money of my hair back. I want her to come and apologize. Where will she apologize?
She will apologize because she tarnished my
I
own
said, where
brand.
will she apologize? On Instagram or where? To you?
She should apologize to me. Doesn't have to go there.
All right, sir, you got it. It's very clear. And the affidavits are there. It's a little bit different what they are saying here than what they say in the affidavit, but this is Mugu Court. We don't deal with technicalities. We got the idea. Madam, what should I do here?
This is our business. Tarnishing someone's image or her business is very bad. And this repugnant to our agriculture. It is not good. It has caused her a lot.
Exactly.
Emotional damage. Instead of dragging her online, why didn't you reach out to her and sort it out? Now it costs her so much stuff. I think by instead of her or pursuing, she would rather sue. Let her pay for the damage. That's my
But what about the fact that the air, she said it turned to Kondo or something?
Because she made a mistake. Why using detergent, washing hair instead of the
Shampoo and serum.
she can't do herself.
Okay, thank you so much, madam. So you are saying a case should be dismissed because she's the one with the case here. And she has not countersued, so we really can't, unless Mr. Common Sense decides that we have to include countersuit. Because we are not waiting for technicalities. But thank you, in your own opinion, the case should be dismissed. All right, thank you, ma'am. Mr. Common Sense.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Judge Mugu.
Yes.
Sense, common sense. Common sense. They call it common sense. The sense is never common. But it is expected that everyone should have at least a level of it. Now, Madam Influencer,
Yes, sir.
are we a market that costs as much as rent? Also deserve some respect. And if you can treat a wig of 150,000 naira, just like a 1,000 naira recharge card, then you should expect much trouble coming your way. Now, my Lord Mugu, I deduce from this whole thing that this woman is trying to use this to generate followers and make money.
Oh.
Otherwise, how could you, if you cannot use detergent and soap to wash your own hair, why apply it to someone's market? Just and make them and money online. Well, my understanding is that she should refund that money. I mean, she should forfeit the money and also pay damages because she has made a lot of money online because of this.
You know, she has profited from her, but she didn't just do that Instagram post. She's saying the air got bad. But I hear you 100%. From what you are saying, it makes sense. But that question is what cleared the confusion for me a little bit. In the sense that you showed her that you are putting soap, detergent, and salt, which are contrary to what she had explained. The way to service the product. I hear you. Yes, I hear you. Okay, thank you so much. Before we go to the in-house lawyer here, I would like to hear Mr. Pokiti here because this is a consuming matter. I should judge this, sir. Yes, sir.
My Lord Judge Mugu. Glory,
Yes, sir.
if it had not been certified that the product you sold to Diana is original, I would have faulted you. Because if a product does not match performance, then a refund becomes impossible.
A refund becomes possible if it doesn't match.
Yes, if it doesn't match,
yes, okay.
a refund becomes possible. But since it has been certified that your product is original,
Number one.
then refund becomes impossible. But I fault you on one count. You say that you did not show her. You did not show her the formula with which she can use to wash her product. That the product you
No. She testified that she told her how to maintain it.
Yes.
That you buy this and that to maintain it. That was the testimony.
Yes, that you can buy the serum from me.
She also said that this formula that she has, that you can use to maintain the product, that is a personal formula. That she doesn't want to show it to anybody.
No.
She doesn't want to make it public.
Yes.
Yes,
That's
what she said,
Yeah,
sir.
she said that.
She said that.
But she said, no, maybe I'm the one that had wrong. She said this is what they use to take care of the air.
Yes.
But I don't have to buy from me. That you can get it anywhere. Is that?
Yes.
Have to buy from her.
No, I did not say that. I said that if you want to maintain the hair, that you should buy from me. Now me be the vendor. I'm the one that makes my own formula. But if you want to also buy from other people, they have their own formula and they can also maintain the hair. I'm not the only hair vendor in this Lagos.
The one she sold to her was an expensive hair. It's original. That's what she said. Certified originality. But for maintenance, the formula she had for maintenance is what she cannot tell. She can't give her the formula. She can't tell her how to do it. Say she wants to use a detergent. She used detergent and the what is it called?
Salt.
Detergent and salt. So
That's my own
aspect where I can fault her a little bit. If it has not been confirmed that her product is original, then she should refund them.
But it's
But
original.
since she concealed her own formula for maintenance.
Okay, interesting. I'm not necessarily going to say I agree. If somebody sold me a piece of suit, he sold me a suit, and he says this is the best because I created the suit.
Patented.
This is the best brush to use in maintaining your wig and gown or suit. But they also sell it outside if you want to go get another one. So, but I recommend you buy, which makes sense. The creator should be the one that will create the best item to maintain it. The person who created the car and put the first engine oil in there is the one that knows the best engine oil to use. If they now say, okay, to drive my Toyota car, this is the recommended engine oil. But other people also sell engine oil. And you choose not to buy the engine oil from the manufacturer, and then you go and buy engine oil from elsewhere, and then your car gets destroyed. Are you going to blame the manufacturer of the car? And that's not even what even happened here. Okay? From maybe I'm the one that I get confused and I don't get this evidence sometimes. That's not even what happened. She didn't even go and buy the formula or something close to it. She decided to use detergent and use salt, which she herself testified when she was put on the spot by Ade Adugo, that will you put detergent in your own hair? So to me, it's not even so much about not even having the ability, but let's hear from the lawyer. Let's hear from the legal counsel. You have had the evidence. You have the affidavit in your file.
Judge,
so yes.
They say the law is a pass, but without this art, we will have chaos all over the nation. We've heard from the consumer protection expert, from the cultural expert, and from the common sense expert, which is not common. But from the law, from the angle of the law, influencers owe ethical duties, which means that they should conform to acceptable standards of conduct because of their high number of followers all over the social media and other places. Posting defamation without due process can harm businesses and attract liability. So she thinks it's wrong here, her action.
But she showed the air, right? And she showed the air, what has happened to the air. We saw the video about the air becoming strong.
But she
mistreated.
She
Okay, she did it on her own without every.
stood up. I would say deliberately. Probably because she wanted to tarnish her image to get followers.
Okay. Okay.
You still have eye to look
Okay.
at.
That's making sense. So what is your recommendation here?
She has no case. She should be the one that pays damage.
Interesting. So from what I'm hearing here, Madam is saying she has no case. Mr. Adugo is saying she has no case. The lawyer is saying she has no case. I'm not so clear here what Mr. Mbokiti wants. You know, he's the one always trying to protect the consumer and the consuming. What is your recommendation to the court? Because Judge Mugu is confused.
Yeah, definitely. Like I stated before.
Bottom line.
Yeah, I stated before that she, the seller, sold original products to her. But maybe
what
she
is your
well
recommendation for this case?
Yes, sir. Maybe she was not, the consumer was not well educated. That's the only aspect I fault her. Going to social media to debase her image is wrong. The refund is not possible. The refund is
So what is your recommendation, bottom line?
Well, she has to pay damages.
Who has to pay damages?
The consumer has to pay damages.
So first, she has no case. I'm just trying to understand. I'm confused. Your job is to help me clear my confusion.
Definitely.
But you are confusing me further.
Really?
They are very clear. Do I dismiss the case? And then you are saying, in addition to that, she also needs to pay damages to Madam Glory. Is that what I'm hearing?
Definitely. On the part of the person that sued, there is no case.
Okay. And then the person that is defamed needs to get paid.
Exactly.
Oh, in this case, we don't wait for them to sue. But that would be technicality. If there's a need to pay compensation, we will file the counterclaim for them by ourselves. That's why this is called Mugu's court. Justice will be done. If that's what you are saying, I have to put all of this under advisement and because I'm seeing this a little bit different. I'm going to need, if you know, when you are confused like this, you need to clear that confusion.
The verdict that shakes the room. And now Judge Mugu is ready to give the final legal verdict, wrapped in simple common sense. All arguments are done, all excuses exposed. Now, justice lands like thunder. This is where fairness roars and foolishness finally falls. One verdict, one voice. Judge Mugu has spoken.
This is a simple and at the same time a complex case. A case that speaks to some of the stuff happening in our nation right now. Social media. We all know how powerful social media can be to help your cause or to ruin the business of somebody else. Incidentally, even though I get dragged all the time by people on Twitter especially, I'm a very big believer in social media because it democratizes human interaction. Nobody can oppress anybody. But some people use that their power to oppress people, and that is where I draw the line. So in this case, it's a very simple. I'm going to share, like we all, for those of you who have ever been in my court or who have ever watched us online, our court cases is also more an education for the public so that they learn from the life experiences of others. So we have these 5 Mugu common sense takeaway. That is the common sense Mugu guy. That's me here. 5 of them that I want to recommend to every one of you today. Number 1, before I give my ruling. Number 1, customer may be king, but kings must read instructions. If you don't, you ignore or you refuse to read instructions or guidelines, then you cannot blame the seller for your disaster. Many of us in Nigeria are exactly like that, including me. My wife always loses her mind with me. When I go to the store, I buy stuff, maybe and some the stuff needs to be assembled. Maybe a shaving kit, maybe something for my daughter when they were still growing up. The common sense thing for you to do is open the instructions and read it on how to apply it. But what do we do as human beings? We just open and start to use our sense to try to put it all together. It is when the thing is no longer working, then we go look for instruction. And in the process, sometimes we have damaged a lot of things. That is one of the things we are seeing here. So you must read instructions. Otherwise, you are not going to get a remedy if things don't work. Like Madam Dagogo's people used to say, the elders, as they used to say, if you want your juju to work the way it used to work for your elders, you have to cite the incantation the way they told you. If you want your product to work the way it was advertised by the vendor, then you have to follow the instructions for the use of it. Number 2, Lady Diana, you know, you are one of those influencers I had a lot of respect for because you have championed some causes in the past. So it's unfortunate to see you get dragged into this particular one. You have to understand that washing luxury air as if you are washing your bathroom mop is not self-care. Salt and detergents are used for dishes, not Brazilian bundles. Like Mr. Adiadubo rightly asked you, if you bought human hair and you believe that it's human hair, and you know that you will never wash your own hair with detergent and salt, it's a simple common sense. If you try to do that, you know bad thing is going to happen. And it did. Number 3, every product, it don't matter what it is, whether it is bread you bought, whether it's a shoe, whether it's a car, they always have a maintenance code. And it's one of the reasons why nothing seems to be working in our country. We don't maintain. We don't follow maintenance code. You enter bus today, they launch a new bus. It's beautiful, there's AC, everything is working. 3 months later, everything is run down because the instruction says service the AC every 30 days. But they will not service it. We don't take care of stuff until it is broken. And that's why you see all over our country. You go to a national theater, when they built it in 1977, it was supposed to be the best in Africa. 4 years later, it looks like a dustbin. Why? Because we don't follow maintenance code. In other climes, even though I hate having to refer to other countries, but we have to learn from them. Every house, every car, everything, they have a card, maintenance code. Every month, service this. Every 3 months, change battery. Every 5 months, change. That's why our street lights, they all have a maintenance code, but we never follow it. So that's why they don't change it unless it is burnt. But in other countries, they say it's a 90-day shelf life. Meaning on the 91st day, whether it's still working or not, they're going to change it. I wish every one of us will follow that. Luxury comes with responsibility. Number 4, if you spoil it, you own it, Lady D. If you spoil it, you own it. Don't turn your personal error into a public drama just because you have an Instagram profile. You made a mistake by putting salt and detergent on human hair. And whatever happens, you have to take it like that. You don't then take it to the public and then try to blackmail somebody trying to do our business. And that is where I seem to agree with our learned associate here, who is even taking it further and saying, believing that you did it deliberately. And I'm tending to agree with him. Because of what use will be you filming yourself when you're putting that detergent and salt and then showing it to her that this is exactly what you are doing. And the 5th sense, online rants can never reverse poor product care. I know your followers, because they love you, whatever you tell them, that's why they went to town. They started dragging the poor lady all over the place because you have a power. We must exercise our power with responsibility, especially as social media influencers, particularly because there are very few rules guarding you. It's very anonymous. You can stay in your house and decide I want to bring a business down just to get a few more followers. So here's my judgment. This Mugu court finds that Madam Glory provided clear after clear instructions with the air purchase. She was clear. This is what you will need to take care of it. I have it because this is my air. I'm the one that created it. I know what is the best way to care for it. But if you don't want to buy from me, there are other people selling, but at your own risk. And I think that is a fair thing to say. Because we refuse to follow the instruction of the maker is why this whole world is messed up. Excuse me and allow me. When God created man, he created man and woman. All of a sudden, man wants to be woman also. And we have a messed up country. Somebody who has a genitalia wake up in the morning and say, I'm a woman. And they leave me in a perpetual state of confusion. When I'm looking at the man, I say, address me as it or she or whatever. That is not the instruction of the maker. So here's my ruling. After my finding, Madam Glory, you are cleared of all liability and you are entitled to protect your brand reputation from misleading social media attacks from influencers who think they can oppress you because they have followers. And I'm coming. Number 2, Diana Diva, you ever want to issue a retraction. You will apologize to her on your Instagram handle. Oh, you are smiling. Okay. You are going to tell them you are sorry, you have resolved this matter. Couch it any way you want. But you are going to apologize to her. There is a misunderstanding and that she has a great product. Throw anybody in your house under the bus if you like. Maybe it's your assistant that went to do whatever. I don't care. You are going to clear this lady of wrongdoing. Failing that, Madam Gloria, I give you permission. File a different lawsuit. Because the reason why I'm not finding out today is because really she did suffer loss with her, even though it was a self-inflicted loss. And I want to mitigate for her a little bit because I like her and I don't want her to start dragging me too much tomorrow. Okay? But if she doesn't do it in the next 3 days, I want you to post it 3 times over the next 3 days. Keep the records. You also keep the record. If they drag you back here, you have to show me those records that you did it. If she does not, I want you to file a lawsuit with the court clerk and I'm going to issue a ruling without calling you. File a suit for 500,000 naira for damages as a consequential order from me. After 3 days, that 3 days has passed, she has not done it. Now I'm asking for damages because normally if you don't ask, I'm not supposed to give you, but I'm telling you to ask now. So you have an opportunity to save yourself 500,000. Go ahead and say you are still doing face like without my old auntie. Wait for you for 3 days. And I encourage both of you to resolve further product issues privately. Unless you really, really want to damage somebody, you at least try, Madam Diva, to try to resolve privately. Even if you genuinely feel that this is not all your fault, there's a way you call, there's a way you talk. She's also in business. She may not even agree that you made that the mistake is her, but she might still give you another air because you're an influencer. But you don't blackmail people into giving you new air when you made a mistake. And I hope every one of us has learned from this experience and case is dismissed. Your case is dismissed. And Madam Gloria has a contingent award waiting for her if you refuse to comply with my order over the next 3 days. And I so rule.
In the court of common sense, no lies survive.
Now the litigants talk to the court reporter after the verdict. The ruling has landed, but emotions are still flying. Some are healed, some are hurt, some are just confused. We catch them raw, unfiltered, and unforgettable as they exit the court of common sense, Mugu style.
Hello, Ma.
Hello.
It's nice to talk to you again. So
It's not nice to talk to you again.
Why?
I'm angry.
Why are you angry?
That's that useless woman that sold me fake hair actually won the case. Can you imagine the judge ruled in her favor? Eh?
Well, that means she's probably right if she won the case because this is Mugu's court where justice is actually served.
Right, Ke, she's not right. How can she tell me that simply because I use detergent to wash my Peruvian hair that it will turn sponge? Eh? Is it not human hair?
Sorry to hear that, but the judge verdict is always final.
I don't know about that one.
Anyway, thank you for coming to Mugu's court.
You're welcome.
Well, this is a case of a sad. Here comes the hairbender.
Hey, the original number 1.
The famous hairbender.
Yes. Guess what? It was ruled in my favor. Not only that, if she does not take down that stupid post, I am going to sue her in damages. Wow. This court, amazing court. Hey, I'm so happy.
Congratulations.
Thank
this is Mugu's People's Court where justice is adequate.
I believe. Thank you.
So let me introduce your business to the audience.
Yes, so
since you sell good hair.
Yes, I sell very good hair. My name is Glory and I am the owner of Elite Hair Affairs, where we sell luxurious wigs Whether you want luxury or you want to be part of the 1%, you want affordable help, we have everything for you. And according to the court, we sell original. I brought evidence now, evidence full ground. Evidence full ground.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming to do this with us.
Yes.
In the court of common sense, no lie survives, no scam goes unpunished, and every move hits their match. He know they shout, he know they fight, but Judge Mugu go balance the right. Truth go stand, lie go fall. Inside this court, we hear it all. From love wahala to juju play. Landlord versus tenant every day. No matter your story, bring your face, but no bring nonsense, center display. Judge Mugu, now in they settle all the glass boss. See they give judgment where make sense pass most. No escape for the Mugu, no cover for the fake. Inside this courtroom, justice no they break. Common man voice with street intellect. You know send your gra or dialect. You na common sense court, not court of shame. If you chop love money, get ready to explain.